अपने तन मन को कब देवे हम समय, तो आओ अपनाए योगा 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 योगा। आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा। सुबह को नहीं तो शाम को होगा, शाम को नहीं तो सुबह को होगा। योगा 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 योगा। आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा। नहीं तो शाम को होगा। आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा 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 योगा। आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा।
We welcome all our guests that are seated all over this arena. We welcome you as we have come together to promote yoga here today. We want to thank all our family from Inanda, from Kwamashu, that we've been together promoting yoga, and as we end this year, we thought of coming together and promoting yoga in the spirit of oneness, and we are here today in the scorching heat. We want to say a very big thank you to Mr. Omi Singh, who's also been here with us for 11 years promoting yoga. And Mrs. Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been conducting yoga throughout the province, going to different towns, just to create this awareness of the benefits of yoga. Today we have our yoga team, Trishani Naidu, Ashika Singh, Bongani Mitangpulu, Mali Pillai with us here today. And you'll identify with them from the International Yoga Day, which takes place every year at the Durban Amphitheatre in June. So I don't want to keep you long. So I'd like to call upon Mr. Omi Singh to say a few words. Thereafter, Mahatika will do a dance and we'll hand over to the yoga experts. Thank you, and all our friends that are seated along this the perimeter of the fence, enjoy and get to know what yoga is about. Yabonga Kur.
Namaste. Namaste. I want to hear you all say Namaste. It's a little better, but I think you can do better than that. Namaste. Okay, maybe you couldn't hear me. Okay. Namaste. Sandwanani. Ninjani. Okay, we are here today to enjoy this yoga symposium that Prince Ishwar has arranged for the communities of Durban, especially the communities from far out of Inanda. So make here for Inanda. Are you here? Where are you? Can I hear a Inanda call out? Yebo! Can I hear a Kwamashu call out? No, too soft. Is Kwamashu in the house? And who else is in the house? And Chatsworth is in the house. Wow! Everybody from Chatsworth, Inanda and Kwamashu. I believe this symposium that you're having here today, you are going to take it out there to the communities to recruit them and get them to do yoga so that yoga can become a household thing. It mustn't only be seen on television, it must be practiced at home as well. And the next year, on the 21st of June, can anybody tell me what happens on the 21st of June 2025? What happens? Nobody knows. It's the International Yoga Day. So each one of you going to bring 20 other people to the amphitheater where we have the International Yoga Day. Am I right? 20 other people, so that you can we can impart the knowledge of yoga to 20 new people, and they will take it through to their communities. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a period of peace and festivity. December is always, throughout the world, people enjoy it as a time where people are on a holiday, people are having festivities. So I want to say today that you guys being on the beach, and we're a better place to be on the Durban beach front, we're going to call for peace in our region, peace in our country, and peace throughout the world. Can we say it together? Peace for our city of Durban. Can we say it together? Peace for the city of Durban. Peace for South Africa. And for peace for throughout the world. I think if we can have peace and people can do yoga, they'll be more relaxed, they'll be more calm, and they'll be more healthy, because that's what yoga gives you. But I know that it's very hot, and I'm not going to take much more of your time. I can see the yoga enthusiasts already on the mat. So I want to say thank you very much for the organizers for inviting me, and I'm really going to enjoy this afternoon with you. Thank you once again.
ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಸುಂದರತರ ಪಿರಾಗಧರ ಸುಂದರತರ ಪಿರಾಗಧರ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರಧರ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರಧರ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ತನದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ತನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ
Let's give a big hand. Hello, can everybody hear me? Good. All right, if we can all take a nice comfortable seat.
Check 1, 1, 2.
Use the mic. Yeah. These are the challenges.
And silent.
Anishaye ihlombe nishayele ingane nje datha kamnandi kanjena.
Is everybody ready? Did you come to take a comfortable seat? For those on the chair, please do join us as well. We're going to take a few moments to settle in. So let's come to close our eyes. Be grateful for this day, for this time. Enjoying the sun on our face. And then you're slowly going to start to bring your awareness to your breathing. So let's inhale deeply through our nostril and let's exhale out the mouth. We'll do 2 more rounds. And let's come to be silent. Keep your eyes closed.
Check, 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 check.
And let's bring stillness to our body. There's nothing to do. There's nowhere to go. Take this time for yourself. We'll bring our palms to touch at our heart center. We'll open with the universal sound of Om. You can choose to remain silent. We'll exhale out completely. We'll inhale deeply. And as we exhale, we'll start to vibrate out Om. Let's inhale. Gently bow your head down. And let's take a moment to set an intention. Intention for yourself, for this practice that we're about to do. And then we can rub our palms together till we feel a heat. Placing it over our closed eyes. Slowly opening our eyes behind our hands. Keep a soft smile on your face as you slowly move your hands to let the light in. Good afternoon to everybody. So we're going to start off with a few warming up. Very simple. For those that are seated on the chair, please do join us. We're going to start to warm up the spine. So as we inhale, we're going to inhale, take both our hands up. Straighten the elbows, push your chest slightly out, shoulder blades in. You can even choose to cross your thumb and straighten the spine a little bit more. And we'll hold here for 2 long breaths. So inhale deeply. Exhale softly. One more full breath. And then we'll release the palms to face each other. And as you exhale, take your right hand next to your right thigh and just stretch the left hand over. A nice stretch to the left side of the body. As you inhale, come all the way up, and then we'll exhale to the opposite side. And then you'll inhale again with both the hands straight up. As you exhale, release your hands onto your knees. We'll do a seated cat-cow. So you're going to inhale. Push the chest out. Make your spine in a nice inward curve. Look up gently. Exhale, round the spine. Take your chin closer to the chest. Let's do this for a few rounds, moving with the breath. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, spine in an inward curve. Exhale, spine in an outward curve. Let's do 2 more rounds, moving with the breath. One last round. After your last round, bring your spine to neutral and just take a moment, relax. We'll work a little bit on our neck. Few neck exercises. You're going to inhale, look up at the sky. Exhale, look down. Take your chin closer to your chest. We'll do this for a few rounds. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Move with your breath. Inhale. Breathe out. One last one. Breathe in. Look up. Look down as you breathe out. Very gently bring your gaze back to center. We're going to inhale center. We're going to exhale, look to our right. Inhale center, look to your left. Let's continue. Inhale and exhale. One last one. After your last round, bring your gaze back to neutral. Let's work with the shoulders. Shoulder rotation. Place both your hands on the top of your shoulder. And very gently rotate your elbows. Inhaling as you take the elbows up. Exhaling as you bring it down. One more in this direction. And then you can pause. And let's reverse, opposite direction. Last one. And we can bring our hands back to our thighs and relax. Let's stretch out the legs. And let's work a little bit on our ankles. So we'll do a few ankle rotations. Very gently rotate your ankles. Pause, opposite way. Last one. And relax. We'll work with our knee joint. Fold up your right leg. Take the foot off the ground. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, bend it in. For those on the chair, you can also do this on the chair. So please do join us. Last one. And you can relax that leg down. Let's work with the opposite leg. Same thing. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale and exhale. Let's continue. Two more. Last one. And you can relax that leg down. Very mindfully, you're going to come into tabletop. For those on the chair, you can just wait for us for a moment. Gently turn your back toes up. As you inhale, take your hip off the ground, moving into downward facing dog. And we're going to start to pedal our heels, moving the heels up and down very mindfully. For those seated on the chair, you can just move your heels up and down, warming up the calf muscles. Last one. And then very gently, you're going to step one leg forward, opposite leg forward. You're going to come up halfway, hands to your hip. Inhale, and we're going to come up to stand. We're going to do one round of Surya Namaskar, sun salutations. For those on the chair, you can just do the hand movements for now. If you want to join us, you can also stand up and join us. You can place your hands on the chair. So we'll come, whoever has a mat, please come to stand towards the front end of your mat. Bring your feet together, outer edges pointing forward. Bring your hands to chest center. As you inhale, stretch and lengthen up your hands. your pelvis forward and arch back, looking up. As you start to exhale, you can start to bend your knees as you take your hands to your ankles, moving into a nice full forward fold. Inhale with a straight spine as you step your right leg back. You can ground the knee down, look up. Take your front leg back, moving into plank. As you exhale, lower both your knees down, chest and chin down, moving into 8-limb pose. Lie flat on your stomach and inhale into baby cobra. As you exhale, turn your toes up behind you, take your hip off the ground, moving into downward facing dog. Back knee down, look up. Start to bring your back leg forward, coming up to halfway. Exhale into a forward fold. Inhale, bring your hands all the way up, pushing the pelvis forward, arching back, looking up. As you exhale, bring your hands back to heart center in prayer. We'll do it one more time. Inhale, stretch and lengthen up the hands, pushing the pelvis forward, arching back, looking up at the beautiful sky. As you exhale, slowly take your hands towards your knees or towards your ankle in a full forward fold. Inhale with a straight spine as you step the left leg back, ground your knee down, look up. You're going to move to plank. You're going to slowly step the front leg back. As you exhale, lower both your knees down, chest and chin down, 8-limb pose. Lie flat. Come to lie flat. Inhale, only chest and chin off the ground, baby cobra. Exhale, move into downward facing dog. Start to step the left leg forward, rounding the knee down, looking up. Start to step the back leg forward, coming up halfway, straight spine. Exhale into a forward fold. Inhale with the hands coming up, palms to touch, look up to the beautiful sky. Exhale, hands back at heart center. Let's stay here for 2 breaths with our eyes closed. Lengthen the side body, palms face each other. And you're going to ground down through your left leg. Inhale. Ground down through the left leg. You're going to turn your right leg out to the side and bring the foot to the side of your calf. Extend the arms up, bring the palms together and lengthen the body to the sky. Keep the gaze forward. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. And then release your right foot. Ground it down. Ground down through your right foot. Turn your left leg out to the side and bring it all the way up to the calf. Keep your hip moving back. Keep your knee moving back. Extend the arms to the sky. Extend and lengthen through the side body. And then exhale, release the foot. You're going to fold all the way. So hinge at the hips and fold all the way, taking your hands to the mat or to the ground. And then a big step back with your right leg. Big step back with your left leg. Come into a down dog. Lift the buttocks to the ceiling or to the sky. Lengthen the backs of the legs. And then take a big step forward with your right leg. And come up. No, step. Okay. Come step out to the side. Big step out to the side. You're going to turn your left leg to face the sky. Turn your left leg. And extend the arms. Bring your left hip in towards your right hip. And extend the arm to your shin bone. And take your top arm to the sky for Utthita Trikonasana. So triangle pose. Inhale, come up. Turn both feet to face forward. And you're going to turn the opposite side to face the sea. Bring that front hip now towards the back hip. Extend the arm, extend the side body. Take your palm to your shin. Nice. Extend the top arm to the sky. Lengthen the body. Breathe. And then inhale to come up. Bring the feet together. Bring the hands to the sides. The next pose we're doing is called Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2. So we're going to step the legs out again. Turn your right leg out to the side. So you're mirroring. Yeah. Big step, wide legs. You're going to bend your front knee or your right knee. Don't overshoot your ankle. So keep that knee in line with your ankle. Extend those arms. Look over the front fingertips. Lower the torso, lower those hips. I want to see the hips going all the way down. And then come up. And we're going to turn to the other side. Bend that knee, left knee bends, and lower those hips. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Keep the gaze over the front fingers. Nice. Breathe. Come up. Extend the arms up and step the feet forward. Step the feet together. Breathe. And we just take the feet hip width apart. And you're going to fold all the way down. And let the body hang. Breathe. Now we're going to come to relax a bit. So we're going to all lie down on the mat, on your belly. So if you're on the chair, I think you can do the actions with your chest and your shoulders. Extend the arms, extend the legs. Lengthen the body. Bring your hands to the side. Palms face the sky. Lift the chest. Press the buttocks down and lift the legs up. For Shalabhasana or locust pose. Inhale. Exhale. Lower it down. And we're going to do it 2 more times. Inhale. Lift. Press the buttocks down. Lift the chest. And exhale, release. One more time. Lengthen, lengthen. Lift the chest. Lift the legs. I want to see the legs touching the sky. And release. Drop the head. Rest the head. Bring your arms in front of your head. And rest it up. You're going to take your hands and bend your elbows. Place it behind your head. Elbows are floating out to the side. You're going to inhale, lift the chest, lift the arms, lift the legs. This is crocodile pose. So you're going to lift the chest and then lower it back down. We're doing it 2 more times. Now you see your chest and your legs reaching the ceiling, the sky. Inhale, lift. Press the buttocks down into the mat. And lift all the way up. Squeeze. And release.
take your hands underneath your forehead and rest your head. We're doing one more fun pose, right? Yes, fun. Okay, so you're gonna bend up both legs. Bring your heels towards your buttocks. Yes, take your hands around, grab hold of your ankles. And now you're gonna press the legs back to lift the chest. Lift, 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 more. Yes. So this is called a bow pose. And release. We're going to do it one more time. And all the ladies that didn't lift their thighs, I want to see the thighs lifting off the mat. 1, 2. Grab hold of the ankles. Squeeze the shoulder blades and lift the thighs. Yes, lift it more. And release. Release it out. Lower the feet down, extend the arms along the floor in line with your shoulders. You're going to inhale and drop both knees to the right. Keep your shoulder blades on the mat. You're twisting your spine here. So you're lengthening through the back body. And come back to center. And drop the knees to the other side. And inhale back to center. You're going to do it one more time. Drop both knees to the right. Stretch that side body. And come back to center and to the left. And then come back to center. Draw the knees into the chest. Hug it in. Gentle rock from side to side. And you can slowly relax your feet down. Keep the knees bent up. Lie on your back. Place your feet on the ground. And if there's any tension in your lower back, you'll keep your knees raised up. Or we're going to start to slowly straighten our legs one at a time. Coming to lie in Shavasana or corpse pose. You're going to softly close your eyes. And you're going to bring your awareness to your breathing. Inhaling deeply through the nostril. Exhaling out the nostril. When you inhale and exhale out the nostril, the sound of your breath makes a soft hissing sound. This sound reminds you of the ocean. It's called Ujjayi breathing or the ocean breath. So let's stay for a few rounds, focusing on this breathing. Relaxing the head, the face, the arms, the back, the legs. Relaxing your whole body. Keep your awareness on your breathing. Nice long inhalations. Nice soft exhalations. Slowly take your awareness to the sounds around you. And just listen.
eyes back to your breathing. Let's inhale deeply through the nostril and let's breathe out the mouth. Let's do 2 more rounds. One more round. Let's start to bring about some movement to the fingers, some movement to your toes. Very gently rotate your wrists, rotate your ankles. You can even choose to stretch your hands straight out behind you, interlock your fingers, push your palms away, bring your feet closer and flex the toes down and away. As you exhale, slowly bring your hands back alongside you. And very slowly, you're going to start to bend up your knees, one at a time. Bringing both knees up. You can choose to keep your feet grounded, or you can even hug your knees towards your chest as you gently sway from left to right, just releasing any tension in the lower back. And then you're slowly going to roll over to your one side. Use the support of your hand under your head. And very slowly, we're going to come to be seated as we move to pranayam, our breathing exercise. So we're going to do a nice simple pranayam today. It's called Brahmari breath, bee humming. I think it's only nice to do it outside in the open today, out in nature. So it's very simple. I'm not going to do any hand movements with y'all this afternoon. Keep your hands on the knees, palms up, palms down. Main thing is keep your spine nice and long, nice and straight. You're going to inhale and exhale, making the humming sound. Your mouth should be closed. You should do it out the nostril. We'll do a few rounds. You can keep your eyes softly closed. When you're ready, let's inhale. We'll continue for a few rounds, moving at your own pace. Brahmari breath is very good for stress, for anxiety, even for your sinuses. So let's continue. We'll do 2 more rounds. After your last round, allow your breathing to return to normal. Keep your eyes closed. Let's take a moment to be still, noticing the sensations in the body as to how you felt from the beginning till now. Don't hold judgment. We'll bring our hands to touch at the heart center. We'll chant 3 long Oms. You can choose to remain silent. Let's inhale. Gently bow your head down and take your gaze towards your heart center. Bring back the intention that you set at the beginning of the practice. Know that whatever it is, it will get done. Take your hands, touch your forehead to remind you to be kind with your thoughts. Touch your lips to remind you to be kind with your words. Touch your heart center to remind you to be kind with your love. You can bow your head completely down. When you're ready, you can rub your palms till you feel a heat. Placing them over your closed eyes. Slowly open your eyes behind your hands. Keep a soft smile on your face as you slowly move your hands to let the light in. Thank you. Namaste.
Did you enjoy that? How is the heat? Nandi. Shubile. Shubile Namtan. A big hand for our yoga experts, Ashika Singh and Prashani Naidu. And also our brothers in the back that were playing live music on the santur and the flute. A big hand to them. And we'll call upon Mahatika to render a dance item.
अपनाए योगा 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 आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा के दबाव को रिश्तों में अभाव को मानसिक तनाव को दूर यह करता आत्मिक शांति भी हमको है देता तो आओ अपनाए योगा 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 आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा सुबह को नहीं तो शाम को होगा शाम को नहीं तो सुबह को होगा योगा 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 आओ मेरे दोस्तों हम अपनाए योगा
Ingane mshale hlobo Mahatika. Can you do some movement for me? Teach me something. Akandlula ingane mina.
Zoa.
Agasithi yoga 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 yoga. Oh yoga 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 yoga. Hey. Say yoga. Oh yoga. Oh yoga 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 yoga. Clap hands, yoga yoga, is it yoga yoga, how yoga yoga, how yoga 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 yoga. Clap hands and sing it. Yoga yoga yoga, show them how to dance. Suguma, sambenza siyafala. Oh yoga 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 yoga. Yoga yoga yoga. Oh yoga yoga yoga. How yoga yoga yoga. Oh yoga for peace. Oh yoga for unity. Oh yoga for oneness. Clap your hands. Thank you so much. I would like to thank all the instructors, the teachers. I'd like to thank you. Your presence is highly appreciated. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. uNkulunkulu anibusise. Sisayima holiday ngiyacela siphepheni bafethu sihlangane ngonyaka ozayo siphephile sibahle uNkulunkulu anilonde. May good God protect you during the holidays. Siyabonga kakhulu. Okay. Oh yoga 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 yoga. Okay. Bese sicela ke njengamanje sesizohamba siye lapha ya. Ekudleni sesiyodla besocela besicela abantu abadala
Ashwimana Palata Pata. I want to give us